wabarakatuh. Hi Mr. and Mr. Z. It's great to see you all, even only through record video. Today I want to present what is milk, density water and sugar and do an experiment. Before I do this experiment, I explain what is density. Density measures an amount of mass in a particular space. For example, oil cooking. Look, this is oil and this is oil cooking. Okay. Oil cooking molecules are packed less tightly than water. This making oil less dense than water and causing float on top when the two are combined. Okay, what happens when you combine blue, green, yellow, and red water in single glass? Brown, right? I think not necessarily make this mesmerizing rainbow in a glass with water in a single glass. Glass with water density. Okay, sorry for that before. Water have different densities. An easy way to change water density is with sugar. In this density water and sugar experiment, we will change the density of different color water so that they stay separated from each other. The material that I need to experiment is you have to have 5 glass. 1, 2, and this is 3. Okay, this is 3. And then this is 4. And then for the 5 is for water. Okay, good. And then a warm water. There is 4 for the food coloring, and then this one is for warm water. Okay, and then you have to put a sugar. This is my sugar, right? And then a spoon. This is my spoon. And food coloring. Okay, I have red, and then this is yellow. This is green, and then this is blue, and then string, and then string. Okay, this is my string. Okay, here are the steps for my experiment. 1. Fill 4 glasses with 1/4 cup of warm water each. I'm already put for each. Okay, each glass, and then 2. Add sugar and food coloring. Each color will have different amount of sugar in it. First, okay, you have to put, when this is 1, you have to put the sugar is only a different spoon. Okay, this is my different spoon. Okay, this is already red. Look, this is red, guys. Okay, this is my string, and then this is my empty glass. Okay, I will put it, and then okay, for your first is wood. And wait a minute, guys. Oh my God, please. Then first be careful this. Put it here, then okay. Not yet again. Okay. Then put it here. Okay, okay, guys. Okay. For the fourth, still using the same, transfer half the green water into the rainbow glass. Add it slowly of the blue water. It should sit on top. Okay, guys. This is the green. Okay, guys. Wait, wait, wait. Stand. Okay, guys. Sorry, man. There is another because it's Jumat, so it's Jumat time. Okay, guys. The brand is yeah. Tenang. Fry, add the yellow and the red. We will wait at the time. You will see a beautiful rainbow. Okay. A second. Okay. Okay. There's no two. Okay. Okay. Careful. Careful. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. The glass is red, guys. Wait. Oh my God, guys. Guys, wait a minute. Wait. Okay, this is right, guys. Look at this. Wow, this is the blue, and then this is the the green, and then this is yellow, and then this is red, guys. Okay, the result of my experiment is as follows. First, water can have different densities as well. An easy way to change water density is with sugar. More and more sugar you add, it will change the density of the water. Okay, this is end of my presentation. I hope you enjoy this. Goodbye and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.